Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. A beautiful day and a great week to you all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you recently transitioned like from the relaxed hair and you have done that big job, here today's video I have a few options for cute hairstyles for beautiful short natural hair. So you can always switch up your look as often as you need. So I just want you guys to please check out those hairstyles that are gorgeous to really get you through. And one thing with these styles is that they are protective hairstyles and they are hairstyle that will always make you to achieve your hair length and texture goals after all. And most of these natural styles you're going to see today are styles you can do at home without the need to go to the hair salon, especially given the times we currently live in. So these easy to achieve styles work for all hair types. So we really have that soft spot, like for the 4C hair, because you can be rest assured that you can pull all of the styles we have for you guys. And some of the styles also feature the teeny weeny afro, the pixies, and lover of bad. These are compilations of different haircuts, and I know you're gonna love them because here in Wendy Styles we're here to bring to you the beautiful trending short hairstyles that are captivating and always make it to look good. Take a good look on this haircut. Isn't it lovely? It's a great choice for beautiful women that really want to try a different look. You can see it's a versatile style that looks so gorgeous and is a style for all kind of hair texture. Let me just let you guys to please watch this video to the end. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I appreciate my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Stay logged and see you guys in my next video.
Bring it on, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I saw your tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh no, no,
SublimeGospel.com.
I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at my feet. It may have been 10 years, 10,000 years, many years or more, many years or more. Drop it at my feet. My yoke is light. My burden is light. Ayadana mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God and my Father. Bless your people. Take away their pains. Ayanabana yokoshetan yanaba. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay. Oh, le.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach your breath of life. That's how I got my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. Oh, your name, what is your name, breathe, Lord. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe.
Yeah. Just breathe your name upon us. Just have your way in our lives. Now that there is trouble and confusion, yeah. Let your healing hand do wonders in our lives, Lord, yeah. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit.